大家好啊！1001 Moon 小拇指終於加入咗 PopMax 大家庭，第一代嘅盲盒就叫做尋找大象滑梯系列。我會由輕至重一個個介紹佢哋，等我哋一齊嚟睇下每一款嘅設計。Hi everyone, here are some tips of 1001 Moons Where's the Elephant Slide series figures. I'll introduce them one by one, from the lightest to the heaviest. 游嚟游去係其中一個最輕嘅款，佢好悶㗎，路面都搖唔喐。由於乾燥劑比較大包，所以搖嘅時候聲音比較明顯。透明嘅小拇指入邊有一條金魚，造型活靈活現。The Midsummer Drifts is one of the lightest figures in their series. It's very fluid. There's no movement when you shake it in any direction. You can only hear the sound of the desiccants. 大家唔好以為封面款尋找大象滑梯比較大個就會重啲啊！其實佢同游嚟游去一樣都係咁輕，同樣都係路面搖唔喐，但係受擺放位置影響嘅關係，佢前後或者左右會摸到對頂。Although the elephant slide is light and full as well, it's bigger in size. Depending on its placement, it protrudes the left and right or the front and back sides of the box. 比佢兩個重少少，但仍然偏輕嘅款有幾個。其中一個係瓶子裏的春天，呢一款上下搖會有少少空間，四面搖唔喐，有兩個大配件，就係花同埋底座。For the spring in a bottle, there's little movement when you shake it vertically, there's no movement when you shake it laterally. There are two large accessory parts. 摺疊時空呢一款單睇個造型就已經覺得好靚好夢幻啦，而佢頭頂嘅星環更加可以打開添，裏邊係有萬花筒嘅效果。所以小顆粒喺搖盒嘅時候就會有與別不同嘅沙沙聲，係名盒一個。The folded time is light as well. There are some granules inside the figure, so when it is shaken, it produces a distinct rustling sound. 給月亮的信號呢一款造型就係大海裏邊嘅燈塔，仲有海鷗圍住佢飛。呢一款上下搖唔喐，四面搖只會有少少嘅鬆動感。For the signals to the moon.There's no movement when you shake it vertically, and it barely moves when you shake it laterally. 耳朵裏的海呢一個閃閃亮嘅貝殼，佢輕得嚟比較滿，六面都搖唔喐，受擺放位置嘅影響，前後或者左右會有對頂。佢連瞳孔同埋頭髮嘅顏色都柔和，整體配合得非常之好。For the ocean in my ears, it's light and full. There's no movement when you shake it in any direction.Depending on its placement, it protrudes the left and right or the front and back sides of the box. 而咕嚕咕嚕的夏天就係玻璃樽入邊嘅可樂，呢一款我都幾中意啊！佢屬於中等重量，六面搖都會有少少嘅空間。For the bubbles of summer, it's medium weight. There's little movement when you shake it in any direction. 1000加1等於乜嘢？當然係我哋嘅主角小拇指啦。今次佢化身成一支小圓筆，佢同樣都係中等重量，六面都搖唔喐，因為個底座係一個非常大嘅配件。1000 plus 1 equals 2. This one is medium weight too. There is no movement when you shake it in any direction. It comes with a large accessory part. 羽毛筆加墨水瓶，寫給小時候嘅呢個造型都幾有創意。呢一款上下搖嘅打合感非常重。四面搖會有少少嘅空間。For the one to childhood, it collides against the box when you shake it vertically, and with only little movement when you shake it laterally. And the quill is separately packed. 而重嘅款就有3個，其中一個係我最中意嘅未贈出的玫瑰。佢上下搖幾乎搖唔喐，前後或者左右會摸到對頂。玫瑰唔單止係我中意嘅造型啊！而呢一款嘅花瓣嘅顏色更加係恰到好處，一啲都唔俗氣。The ungiven rose is heavy, it barely moves when you shake it vertically, and it protrudes the left and right or the front and back sides of the box. 藏進奶油呢一款就係倒數第2重，一望落去就覺得佢好似一個生日蛋糕，六面搖都會有打合感。For the hidden in the cream, it is heavy too. It collides against the box when you shake it in any direction.全系列最重嘅就係番度奶一頁，佢重得嚟好滿，路面都搖唔喐㗎，公仔都幾大個㗎， 所以前後或者左右一定會有對頂。Turn to That Day is the heaviest one in the series. There's no movement when you shake it in any direction. It protrudes the left and right, or the front and back sides of the box. 隱藏款叫做新奇的禮物，我相信打開佢一定會有驚喜。The secret is named as the Novel Gift. If you want to know more about it, feel free to click the link in the comments. I hope this video helps. Thank you so much.